This video is on how to create appointments. So first of all, we're going to look at the dashboard for appointments. This is the provider's name up here. Now, if you want to look at different providers, you check the radio button over here on the right-hand side, and it switches between the providers. If you would like to see multiple providers at a view, use the checkbox. So 1, 2, 3. So you can have up to 5 views at one given time, and again, you just obviously scroll in there. So for simplicity sakes, let's just go ahead and look at a one provider view. Now, if you need to change the location, you select the facility here, and it will populate the providers for that specific facility only. And then you can filter down, obviously, by the providers themselves. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to go in here, and we're going to right-click, add existing patient appointment, or if it's a new patient, you can do it that way. And new patient just gives you the functionality to briefly add some of the demographic information in there. Remember to please go back and fill out complete demographic information. It's very important for the financial stability of your organization to collect all of the information, because we can do things like appointment reminders and meaningful use incentives, and really you will not get full use of the system unless all information is present, and its burden really is on the front office staff for doing that. So we're going to click on add existing appointment. You simply enter in the name of the particular patient that you're looking for, select them from the list, and you can use multiple selections, obviously, with date of birth and other things if there's people with last names like Smith. Next thing you're going to want to do is go in and select the duration. The default duration will be set up during the customization process. And again, you can go in here and select a particular facility. Anything with an asterisk beside it, so these with the asterisk beside it are mandatory. They are mandatory fields because the providers need to know why somebody is coming in to see them. And you can also put the reason for visit here, and any general comments go in here. Now, if you notice on the right hand side over here on the dashboard, reason for comment is going to come from this general comments that you put here. Under the billing comments, these are going to show up, very self-explanatory for the biller to see if there's anything that needs to be addressed. And again, you can fill out any of this information that you like, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click the OK button. Okay, so you're going to click on the OK button. That's going to set the appointment. Now, on the dashboard over here, we have several different things up here. If you roll over, you'll notice that a little message comes up there. So this, first of all, here indicates whether charges have been created for the patient. This one here indicates whether there has been an insurance eligibility check done. This is a service that is done through the clearinghouse, so you'll need to be subscribing for that, and we do encourage all providers to take use of that service. We don't make any money off. It's done directly through them. This indicates whether notes were created for a visit. So you may have a visit, but you may not have created notes, which probably means it's not been billed. And then here is the super bill. So SB means super bill. And again, any of these columns can be hidden or displayed depending on what your needs are. So please let your support team or administrator know which of these fields that you'd like to have exposed or hidden, because it's important that you want to make sure that you do not have more information at your disposal than is actually required. All right. If you have any additional questions on adding appointments, contact support at ehryourway.com. Thank you.